This is August 18th, 2019. Here's Zach pumping some water. That's a 2.5 Fairbanks Morse running a Peters pump made in Kewanee, Illinois. And you can see it's doing a heck of a good job of pumping. You had to turn that, oh, what do you call that, Zach? That shim. That, I want to highlight that in this video.
What?
Oh, that, where you turned it in the lathe.
Oh, just a pulley.
Yeah, but what do you call that inside?
Bushing.
Bushing, yeah, bushing. I couldn't think of it. I'm going to get over here and I'm going to zoom in on that bushing. I don't think you can tell anything when it's running, but here goes. There's a bushing down in that pulley. Zach had to turn it out a little bit, open it up a little bit on my old lathe down in the shop. And I think it's a pretty nice press fit, isn't it, Zach?
It's not too bad. It's a little weak, but with some box cans on the end there.
I'm gonna get over here where I can get a better shot of the pump and everything. There's that 2.5 Fairbanks Morse running beautiful. Zach's oiling the pump. I'm going to get over and zoom in on that water that's pumping. We're out here on the county line road between Henderson and Warren County, Illinois. I'm going to put this baby out on YouTube. Did you have much trouble getting her primed, Zach? I put leathers in it, but it looks like about 7 years ago. I got some new leathers from Mike Walsh, who is, he's deceased now. He told me, said, I've got leathers for that pump, so I drove up and picked them up. Look at that baby pump. Look at that water coming out of her. Zach, you want to get in here? I'd like you in the video for just a second. Well, you got a fine looking belt on it. Get over there in the video, Zach.
I don't like being on video.
Oh, hush.
Don't like my picture taken.
Oh, hush.
Don't even like my picture taken.
Yeah, hush. There he is. Zach Brewer. Instrumental in getting this whole thing going. He bought the pump for me. I bought it like 7 years ago. And got her running. Ran her off a 2-horse Rock Island. And Zach's running her off of this 2.5 horse Fairbanks Morse, right?
Yep.
Well, I made a pretty nice video here. I think I'll shut her off. This is Al Lauk from Henderson County, Illinois, signing off. From Oquawka, signing off. I hate to shut her off, man. That's a beautiful job. Yeah, here we go.